For ELR 2.3, it's all about inertia and Newton's first law. In the first question, it's talking about a ball at rest in the middle of a toy wagon. So I've got my toy wagon and my ball sitting on top of the toy wagon, and the wagon is pulled forward and the ball rolls against the back of the wagon. Explain why. So when you watch a wagon move, the wagon moves forward, but it seems like the ball is moving to the back of the wagon, but what's really happening is that the ball is staying put the entire time. So it looks like the ball is rolling back, but it's really just an object at rest attempting to stay at rest, which is, of course, the concept of inertia. For number 2, it says that a shopping cart is, you push a shopping cart and it moves. When you stop pushing, it comes to rest. So for this one, we're going to jump ahead to the concept of free body diagrams, even though that's in a later ELR, but it's going to help to describe this with the inertia. So the idea is that this thing gets a push and moves forward, and an object in motion should stay in motion, so that when you remove this push, the question is, well, why does it then come to rest? Well, that's because there's a force that we're not talking about here, friction. And without that force being mentioned, it seems like we're breaking the law of inertia, but we're not. It would stay moving if friction were somehow able to move. If it helps to think about this on maybe a really smooth surface like ice or something like that, it's easier to visualize. But Newton's first law is not broken. It's because of friction.